Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to adjust site permissions or enable or disable certain permissions in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So these permissions allow you to have different control over the access websites have on your device, such as your camera, microphone, and location tracking. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Microsoft Edge web browser. And dito lang sa top right corner, and then makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot, and then i-click mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung settings. And dito sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung cookies and site permissions. So i-click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung site permissions. And then scroll down at nandito na yung all permissions. So permissions that are applied across all sites. So nandito na yung pwede nating enable or disable like locations, camera, microphone, motions or light sensors, notifications, JavaScript, images, pop-ups and redirects, intrusive ads, background, automatic downloads, protocol handlers, MIDI device control and reprograms, Zoom labels, USB devices, serial ports, and file editing at marami pang iba dito mga kaibigan. Okay, so kung paano ba natin ito enable or disable? So for example, itong location, so click mo lang yan at dito sa right side, so pwede mo na itong i-turn on or enable mo siya or i-turn off. Okay, so click mo lang yan. So ibig sabihin ay naka-turn off siya or naka-disabled. So pwede mo itong enable, so i-click mo lang yung button niyan. Ayan. So ibig sabihin nito ay naka-enable na siya. And same naman dito sa other mga kaibigan like camera, so click mo lang yan. And then as before accessing, so pwede mo itong i-turn on or pwede mo itong i-turn off, enable or disable. Ganito lang siya mga kaibigan. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to enable or disable site permissions in the Microsoft Edge and Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.